In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to set up your ticket bot on your Discord server. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go into Discord and then you want to make sure that you have your account logged in. After that, you want to go open up a new tab and go into tickettool.xyz. You could also do this or open your Discord in the Discord app if you'd want, but in my case, I just open it in the web. Once you're here, click on Invite Ticket Tool, and then you want to click on Continue to Discord, and then you want to choose the server in here that you would want to add your Ticket Tool bot into. So here it's in the sample, the server that I created. Click on Continue, and click on Authorize. After that, it's successful. So now here, as you can see, Ticket Tool is now in the server. And now next is that we want to click here and go into server settings and go into roles. And now in here is that you'd now be able to see all the roles. And then we have the ticket tool. You want to make sure that it is above the member roles. And you could also put owner above it if you'd want to. So like this is fine. So I'm going to go click here on save changes. And next is that you want to create another role. So I'm going to go for a support staff role and then click on save. And then the members right here. So you can add the members into this role. So click here on add members. And in my case, it will be just myself. And now once it's added, the next thing is that we are going to go back in here and right click, create category. And I'm going to go name it support. And then create a channel within that. And then now you would want to go for a support channel, for example. Support, or go for the support channel. Now you want to go back into the tickettool.xyz. And then now you would want to go into dashboard. And then basically you want to log in with your Discord first if you're not yet logged in. And then now I'm just going to go and scroll and then click on authorize. And then it should now be loaded, and then you will now be able to see the servers that is connected to Ticket Tool. And then from here, I'm going to go in the server because this is the server that I have demonstrated or we just did. Now I'm going to click here to create a new panel and then just going to name it, let's say support, and click on create. And now once you're here, click on general and then go for the support team role. And I'm going to go for this one that we just did. And then after that, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go back after it has been saved. So click here on back. Next is that you want to go into category and choose the category right here. So it's support. And then press on back. And now you would want to go click here on send. And I'm going to save this first right there. Save. And then click on send. And then from here, the next thing is that we're going to click here on the support channel again and click on send. And now let's just wait for that to load. And as you can see, it says that panel is sent. So now we can go back in here. And now next is that you're going to click here on edit channel. And then now you want to go into permissions and basically you just need to go advanced. And now we just need to disable the send messages and click on save changes. And now from here, they can now click here on create ticket, and then you'd now be able to see that it hasn't been created, and also this one right here. And now you can chat in here, so something like that. And yeah, here it is. So that's done. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.